Welcome back to Check It Out with Rich. Vatrer sent out their 100 amp hour G24 battery for me to do a review on. I mean, this thing is light as compared to this. I can't lift this thing. This, beautiful. It weighs almost 23 and a half pounds. What this weighs, I don't know, 40, 50 pounds. I mean, it is heavy. All right, let me show you what all came in a box. Naturally, the battery came in a box. And then we have an owner's manual. And some pretty cool stickers came in. Okay, and like I said, this is a group 24, which means you can put it into small places. Any battery box will hold it. You can also use this for trolling motor in your canoe or whatever. Nice and small, light, no problem floating down the creek. It is also IP65 rated. Another thing I really like, you can hook this up with their app and you can see what all is going on inside the battery. It has 150 amp BMS. They just upgraded it from 100 not too long ago. Now, it's not heated, but it does have charging cutoff at 32 degrees and discharge cutoff at -4. And it has a max charging of 150 amps and a max discharge of also 150 amps and a recommended charging amps of 20. And for sizing, it's roughly 10 1/4 wide by 8 1/4 high and 6 5/8 steep. So it's, like I said, it's very compact. Okay, so we're gonna install this in my mother-in-law's Class C. Now, to get this one out was pretty tough. I actually should have did a video of taking it out. One, it's a small confined space and you have to lift it up, twist it over, and then take it down, all while not hitting these terminals. So I think this is going to be a lot easier. So let's go over there and we'll get this installed, hooked up, and then we'll check out the app. The app is very easy to navigate. It's pretty much, you download the app, it sees this battery, you click on it, you're done. Okay, as you see, this is pretty tight, and also it did come with caps to put on here, so I put them on just so we didn't hit the terminals. But I could do this one-handed pretty easily. The hardest part is the wires, actually. And that's it. I mean, if you would see me taking this thing out of here, it was really, it was something else. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and hook the wires up, and then we'll go ahead and hook the app up and see what it's rating. But first, a word from our sponsor. Okay, we had a big storm come through yesterday, and I quit recording. But as you can tell, it went in nice and easy. What's nice is it is lightweight, compact, easy to get in here. It's also IP65 rated, so this is open to the elements, and it's a good battery for this location. Okay, so we're going to go into the app, and you just go into your Play Store or whatever you have and download the app, and then you bring the app up. I tried to delete this battery and I couldn't figure out how, but there's got to be a way to delete it. But once you bring your app up, this screen will come up, and then it'll automatically pick this battery up. So when you do, you just click on it and it's all set up. It's very easy. I was really surprised how easy it was. Okay, so you will go ahead, you'll tap the app, and then this battery will automatically come up. And I can't remember, I think there was a couple steps to put it in, but it was very simple. So once you get this up, you'll go ahead, you'll tap your battery, and basically what you're doing is you're turning on the Bluetooth. And then from there you go to dashboard, and we're at 99%. Now I had a couple lights on in here overnight and I had the converter off, so we're down to 99%. We're pulling 3.4 amps, and then down further, if we have multiple batteries, we can tell it if we're in series or parallel. And then underneath that, it's telling you we're at 13.2, We're pulling 43 watts at 3.3 amps, and we have 99.2 the battery. Available runtime, just went to 31. It's bouncing around 30, 31. Okay, so now we'll go to cells, and this is one thing I like about this. There's 4 cells in here, and the blue block box is lit up. So your cell 1 is 3.30, 3.30 on 2, 3.30 on 3, and 3.30 on 4. And then down here at the bottom here, that's your temperature. It's saying it's 63 degrees in there. And then this top box up here is telling you your high voltage and low voltage for each cell, that is. And then your differential, which is 0.02. And then your average volume, which is it's bouncing around 3.307. And then you go to about, and then you can set your language. You can set temperature, whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. We'll confirm that, and what version you're on, 1.1.9. So that's pretty straightforward, easy to navigate, very easy to set up. I was really surprised how easy it was to set up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this app on her mom's phone, so if she's out and having any issues, she can tap in and at least let me know if the battery's charging, what the deal is.